You've been crushing it on demo for months. Your P&L is green, your execution seems flawless, and you feel untouchable. You finally decide to fund a real account, ready to start making serious money. And boom, within 2 weeks, you blow half the account doing the exact same setups that worked in demo. What happened? Did the market algorithm suddenly decide to target you? No. Today I'm going to show you why your brain sabotages you the second real money is on the line, and exactly how to fix it. When you are trading on a demo account, you aren't actually trading. You are playing a video game. The numbers on the screen are just points, not currency. If you lose $500 in demo, your heart rate doesn't change. Your palms don't sweat. You take the trade based only on your strategy, because there are absolutely no consequences if you are wrong. You are trading with pure logic because the emotional center of your brain is totally asleep. But the second you switch to a live account, even with a small amount of capital, something shifts physiologically in your body. Suddenly, that $50 loss isn't just imaginary points. It's money for groceries. It's part of your rent. It's your hard-earned cash. Your amygdala, the fear center of your brain, wakes up and takes over the controls. Now, instead of looking at the chart objectively, you're looking at every candle through a lens of fear, anxiety, and attachment to the money. Before we get to the solution, if you're realizing right now that psychology is the missing piece in your trading, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe to Trade Mentality. It really helps us reach more traders just like you. Alright, let's continue. The core difference is this. In demo, you are process-oriented. In live trading, you become result-oriented. When real money is at risk, you abandon your plan. You cut winning trades way too early because you're terrified the market will take that small profit back. Conversely, you hold losing trades way too long because your ego can't accept the reality of the loss, hoping it comes back to break even. The strategy didn't fail. Your ability to execute it under pressure failed. So how do we fix this gap? You have to desensitize yourself to the risk gradually. When you go live, do not start with full size. Start ridiculously small, so small that a loss genuinely doesn't hurt you emotionally. You need to prove to your brain that you can follow the rules with real skin in the game, even if it's just pennies. Build the discipline first, then scale the size. Don't shock your system with pressure you aren't ready for. Remember, failing your first live account is almost a rite of passage for traders. Don't beat yourself up, just learn the psychological lesson. Thanks for watching Trade Mentality. Keep mastering your mind, and I'll see you in the next video.